welcome to Khmerue Team Official Channel video tutorial. Today I am Mr. CHHUOY again, and I will teach you how to make a cinematics video using Filmora. And make sure that you have been subscribed to my channel for more videos. So let's get started. First, we're gonna import the file that we want to go with that video editor. So select all like this and then click on open. And this time we have a different thing that we're gonna use the audio track to find the bit place that we will change the video from every bit on the song. So to do that, you need to right click on that, and you want to see the bit audio track without inserting inside the timeline. So you need to drag it to the timeline first for the Filmora X. So you need to select it like this, and then this time we're gonna find the bit detection, and you have to wait all the progress is completely complete, and then click OK. And now delete this one and drag this one in, and you will see every bit mark inside the audio track sound like this: 1 2 3 4 5 etc. And this time we're gonna play and the song and put the video clip just inside the bits marked here, and make sure that you have been downloaded from the YouTube audio libraries. It is free, completely free. So now to do that, we need to drag it to the bits of the song like this, and okay, select this one, and this time we're gonna cut it to the place that the song is bit appearing. So you need to cut it out just like this, and now this one too. And this time we're gonna cut it out the same. So you make sure that every bit mark should be cut this one, because it will make you to change the screen size for every bit song. And we do it all the following like this, and select the bit song like this, and then select and cut out, and this one also, and select it like this, and then cut it out. And the final one is this here, so it look like this, and then cut it out. And now let's play the results of every change inside the bit song. So let's go to the homes. It look like the video is not fit yet to the front page of the video here. So we see some spacing inside it, so you need to drag it like this to be on this mark. So now let's get started to play. And if you're pulling up out like this, you will see the beating part is over here. So you need to drag it to be fit on the bit mark here like this. So it can be keep length just in front of the video, because we depending on the audio bit mark here. And okay, now we're gonna scroll some more part here, because we already drag it out, so we need to be add some more mark inside here, inside this place. Now let's check it out from the first of the page. So let's get played. Okay, now you can see it. The beat song will be changed the video from one to one, from the other video to the other video, according to the bit mark. So this is the first method. And the second method is, let me show you how to make an open cinema's black box inside the video. So let's get started. Drag the video to the timeline and choose the length of video animation that you want to be black box appearing, and then cut it out just like this. Cut it into the two different parts of the videos. And now select the first clips and then go to crop and zooms. It's like here, and this time we go to pan and zoom, and make sure that you have been selected the default ratios to the custom, and then select the size to the wide length, just like this and like this and like this, and move it to the middle of the marks. Here it is the middle of the marks. And now click to preview. Is what is happening right now. It looks like it is zooming out like this, but if you want to be zooming up, so you need to change one more step. So click on the swaps icon here, click on that, and now let's check it out. Now it is an opening, not a closing black box. If you want to be smaller or small short length, so you can decrease the size before you cutting all of this thing, all of this clip. So it should be choose to 3 to 5 seconds only to make it better with that. And then after you are ready, so click on OK, and you want to decrease some size, so you need to drag it to be like this to decrease some size. Because the size is too much long here. As you can see here, if you want to be 3 seconds or 5 seconds, it should be look like this place. So now let's check it out. Okay, it is about 4 seconds, so it can be slower of opening the black box. If you don't want to be the black box go the way out, so you need to add one more effect that is called cinema effects. So go to effects and select on cinema and drag all here on the way down like this. Now check the final results. Okay, this is the way that we can do. For more videos, tricks about Filmora tutorials, please leave me a comment or subscribe my button below to get more video tutorials. Thank you for watching.